In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to buy put in ETrade. By the end, you'll know exactly how to navigate the platform, choose the right contract, and place your order with confidence. A quick reminder before we begin. Options involve risk and aren't suitable for everyone, so proceed only if you understand how they work. Start by opening ETrade on the web or launch the Power ETrade app on your phone or tablet. Once you're in, use the search bar at the top to look up the stock you're interested in. Type the ticker symbol. Think of examples like TSLA or AAPL and select the correct listing from the results. This will take you to the stock's main page where you can see an overview, charts, and news. From here, find and click the options section to open the options chain. This is where all available contracts for that stock are listed. Make sure you're looking at the puts tab, not calls. A put option gives you the right but not the obligation to sell 100 shares at a specified price before the contract expires. You generally buy a put when you think the stock will decline. Now choose your expiration date. That's the last day the option is valid. Shorter expirations are usually cheaper but provide less time for your thesis to play out, while longer expirations cost more but give the trade more time. Next, choose your strike price, which is the price at which you can sell the shares if the option is exercised. If you think the stock will fall, consider a strike that's at or slightly below the current market price, balancing cost with the likelihood of the option gaining value. When you find the contract you want, click on its price to open the order ticket. Set the action to buy to open and confirm the contract type is put. Enter your quantity. Remember, one contract controls 100 shares, so be mindful of the total exposure. For order type, a limit order is recommended. This lets you specify the maximum price you're willing to pay, helping you avoid unexpected fills in fast markets. Type in your limit price based on the current bid-ask spread and your target entry. Before sending the trade, click Preview Order. Carefully review the ticker, expiration date, strike price, action, quantity, and limit price. Check the estimated cost, including any applicable fees. If everything looks correct, click Place Order to submit. After submission, you can monitor the order status in your account's order section. If it doesn't fill right away, consider adjusting the limit price within your comfort level. That's it. You've placed a put order on ETrade.